But first, with coronavirus cases spiking, a call to release inmates at the Leon County Jail. ABC 27's Christian Thomas takes a look at the push for release right outside the sheriff's office today and safety measures being taken inside the jail.
We knew that once this virus got into the jail, it would be a petri dish for people.
For Saskia Fagan, Saturday's caravan to release inmates at the Leon County Sheriff's Office was personal. Fagans and members of the Tallahassee Community Action Committee say all bail-eligible inmates in county detention facilities should be released, especially those with compromised immune systems and the elderly.
I personally know 3 people in there right now, ages 16, 18, and 19. The 18-year-old has actually tested positive for COVID-19.
As of Thursday, the Sheriff's Office says at least 13 inmates have tested positive for coronavirus out of the 400 tests given. The Sheriff's Office says any inmate who is suspected of having the virus and others in their pod will be moved to a quarantine pod where they'll be put in separate cells. If an inmate's test comes back negative, they can return back with other inmates. People who test positive are monitored by healthcare workers. In the worst case, they'll be taken to the hospital. TCAC says they want to see more
improvement in the conditions of these prisons. We want face masks for every prisoner. We want real sanitization and the ability to see what the prisoners' living conditions are like.
The Sheriff's Office says it's getting 300,000 masks to give to inmates. As for any release, it's out of the Sheriff's Office hands and would have to go through the state attorney. If releases are not an option, Delilah Pierre says the group wants to make sure inmates are protected.
We want to do our best to give them the sanitation they need.
In Leon County, Christian Thomas, ABC 27.
LCSO says there are 900 inmates in the Leon County Detention Facility, and along with giving inmates masks, any employee who comes in contact with an inmate is required to wear a mask. Groups from all